Calm spirit chant, let it rise from within. Calm spirit chant, let the healing begin. In the silence of the morning light, where the river meets the soul so bright, I hear the whisper of ancient ways, calling hearts to brighter days. Through the trees, the breeze it sings, songs of life in everything. Every leaf and every sound reminds me where true peace is found. Calm spirit chant, let it flow through the heart, let the pure love grow. One with earth, one with sky, lift your soul, let your worries fly. Calm spirit chant, take your time, feel the rhythm, feel the climb. Unity in every breath, life is stronger than fear and death. Walking gently on sacred ground, every step a healing sound. No more chains upon the mind, only truth and love we find. Sunlight dancing on the sea, reflecting who we're meant to be. No division, no disguise, only oneness in our eyes. Calm spirit chant, let it flow through the heart, let the pure love grow. One with earth, one with sky, lift your soul, let your worries fly. Calm spirit chant, take your time, feel the rhythm, feel the climb. Unity in every breath, life is stronger than fear and death. Breathe in peace, breathe out love, guided by the stars above. Feel the pulse of the earth, know your soul, know your worth. From the mountains to the shore, we are one forevermore. Different paths, but same true light, shining through the darkest night. Let forgiveness lead the way, let compassion guide each day. In this moment we are free, living in divinity. Calm spirit chant, let it flow through the heart, let the pure love grow. One with earth, one with sky, lift your soul, let your worries Breathe in the morning, Jah love rise within. Every soul begin again. Morning sun arise on the mountainside, golden rays touching life far and wide. Dew on the leaves whisper soft and low. Nature sing the truth that the heart must know. Slow wine carry wisdom through the trees, every breath aligned with the gentle breeze. No more fear, let the past release. In the light of now we discover peace. Conscious sunrise groove, feel the spirit move. Let your soul be free, like the endless sea. In this sacred time, we align divine. One love we share everywhere. Keep flowing, never ask why. Reflecting truth from the open sky. Every drop a lesson, every sound a guide, leading us inward where the love resides. Mountains stand strong through storm and rain, teach we resilience through joy and pain. Step by step on the sacred ground, in silence deep true self is found. Conscious sunrise groove, feel the spirit move. Let your soul be free, like the endless sea. In this sacred time, we align divine. One love we share everywhere. No separation in the human race, different paths but the same embrace. From the roots below to the stars above, everything connected in the flow of love. Open your eyes to the sacred flame, burning inside, we all the same. No illusion can divide the whole, universal truth lives in every soul. Conscious sunrise groove, feel the spirit move. Let your soul be free, like the endless sea. conscious sunrise groove. Feel the spirit move. Let your soul be free, like the endless sea. In this sacred time, we align divine. Whoa, one love we share everywhere. Rise, rise, conscious mind awaken. Love, love, every chain is breaking. Peace, peace, flowing like a river. One, one, we are one forever. In the stillness of the morning light, where the earth breathes and the soul remembers, we rise, we rise. Dawn of Zion, calling within. Dawn of Zion, dawn of Zion, dawn of Zion, light upon my way. Wash my spirit clean with the break of day. In the silence, I can hear love call. One heart, one soul, one life for all. Dawn of Zion, guide me from within. Let the truth of life now begin. In the rhythm of the earth I stand. Peace and unity across the land. Golden sunrise on the mountain high. Touch the rivers where the children cry. Whisper softly through the ancient trees. Carry wisdom in the gentle breeze. Every step I take, let it be in grace. No more fear, no more time to chase. In the present moment, I am free. Boundless love is surrounding me. Breathe in light, breathe out peace. Jah love surround I and I. Stillness rise within. In the silence of the morning sun, where the river and the heart beat one, gentle breeze through the ancient trees, whisper truth in melodies. Every step on this sacred ground, hear creation's humble sound. No rush, no fear, no race to run, just the rhythm of the one. Eternal calm chant flowing in our soul like a river of peace. Make the broken whole, unity rising. Feel the spirit call. In the light of love we stand tall. Eternal calm chant, let your mind be free from the chains of illusion. Come back to be. Nature keeps singing. Hear the earth rejoice. In the quiet within, find your voice. Transcend the stress. Mountains stand in silent grace. Teach the soul its rightful place. Eternal calm chant flowing in our soul like a river of peace. Make the broken whole, unity rising. Feel the spirit call. In the light of love we stand tall. Eternal calm chant, let the mind be free from the chains of illusion. Come back to be. Nature keeps singing. Hear the earth rejoice. In the quiet within, find your voice. Close your eyes. Feel the breath of life move through you. No past, no future, only now. You are the river, you are the sky, you are the stillness that never dies. From the roots deep in the earth below, to the stars where the wise winds blow. Every being, every soul, part of one eternal whole. Let the fire burn so bright, not in anger but in light. Purify the heart within. Let the healing now begin. Eternal calm chant flowing in our soul. In the stillness, we remember. In the silence, we are whole. Everlasting peace lives within. Everlasting peace flow through I and I, like a river to the ocean, under open sky. Everlasting peace, no need to resist. In the breath of the moment, pure eternal bliss. Everlasting peace, rising from within. No war in the heart where the love begins. Everlasting peace, let the light increase in the sound of creation. We find release. Roots in the earth, feel the heartbeat slow. Ancient vibration in the soil below. Mountains stand firm, rivers always bend. Nature teach the cycle, beginning no end. Wind carry whispers of a timeless truth. Every soul connected from elder to youth. No separation in the grand design. One universal pulse, one sacred line. Close your eyes, let the illusion fade. All of the fear, just a shadow we made. In the quiet space where the spirit resides, you find a peace you were chasing outside. Everlasting peace flow through I and I, like a river to the ocean, under open sky. Everlasting peace, no need to resist. In the breath of the moment, pure eternal bliss. Everlasting peace, rising from within. No war in the heart where the love begins. Everlasting peace, let the light increase in the sound of creation. We find release. Stars in the heavens, mirror in your soul. Every spark of light make the broken whole. No need to search in a distant land. The key to the kingdom is in your hand. Let go the weight of the past you hold. Turn every sorrow into wisdom gold. Forgive and release, let compassion grow. That is the river where true peace flow. From the trees to the seas, every life aligns. Sacred geometry in divine design. Hear the drum beat echo through your chest. That is the rhythm of eternal rest. Peace, everlasting peace. Breathe in life, breathe out release. One love, one heart, one unity. No borders in the soul. No chains in the mind. Oh, only love unfolding across all space and time. Everlasting peace flow through I and I, like a river to the ocean, under open sky. Oh, everlasting peace, no need to resist. In the breath of the moment, pure eternal bliss. Everlasting peace, rising from within. No war in the heart where the love begins. Everlasting peace, let the light increase in the sound of creation. We find relief. peace forever within. Gentle breeze, carry me home through the silence where my spirit roams. In the stillness I find my way. Jah light guide me every day. Morning sunrise, kiss the earth so slow. Dew on the leaves, pure blessings flow. Heartbeat steady like the ocean tide. In this sacred moment I and I abide. Mountains whisper ancient truths untold. Roots run deep in the soil of gold. Every breath is a prayer in time. Every step in rhythm, every soda line. Gentle breeze, blow through me. Set my spirit, set it free. In your arms I find my peace. All the noise just fade, release. Gentle breeze, carry love from the earth to stars above. One vibration, unity, living in this harmony. River keep flowing, never asking why. Mirror of the heavens reflecting the sky. I close my eyes, hear the inner sound. In the quiet space, true self is found. Oh, separation, we all are one. Children of the moon and the rising sun. From every corner, every land and sea, same life force flowing endlessly. Gentle breeze, blow through me. Set my spirit, set it free. In your arms I find my peace. All the noise just fade, release. Gentle breeze, carry love from the to the soul. Heartbeat of earth, make I whole. Breathe in life, release control. Ancient rhythm, guide me home. Drum spirit beating on my chest, calling my soul to a place of rest. Roots of the earth, rise and confess. We are one, we are blessed. Healing drum spirit, carry me through. Wash all the pain, make my vision true. From the silence, life renew. Jah love flow in everything we do. Under the shade of the old baobab tree, whispers of ancestors calling to me. Wind through the leaves, sing a melody. Nature reveal what the eyes can't see. River keep flowing, steady and wise. Mirror reflection of truth in disguise. Mountains stand tall under infinite sky. Stillness within is the ultimate prize. Drum spirit beating on me chest, calling my soul to a place of rest. Roots of the earth, rise and confess. We are one, we are blessed. Footsteps light on the sacred ground. Every heartbeat is a mystic sound. Lost and found in the rhythm profound. Circle of life keeps spinning around. Fire burns slow with the golden the silent ones already know. Let all the worries and burdens go. Plant good seeds and watch them grow. And watch them grow. Hear the drum now calling. Make you whole, deep within your soul. Close your eyes and breathe in deep. Promises the spirit always keep. In the silence where the heart can speak, find the strength you thought was weak. Stars align in the velvet night. Guide your path with gentle light. Everything gon' be alright. Truth and love will win the fight. Healing drum spirit beating on my chest, calling my soul to a place of rest. Roots of the earth, rise and confess. We are one, we are blessed. Healing drum spirit, carry me through. Wash all the pain, make my vision true. From the silence, life renew. Jah love flow in everything we do. It shine through skin. No more fear, no more sin. Only the truth that lives within. Hands to the sky, give Healing wind, oh Africa, carry my soul to the ancient flow. From the mountains high to the rivers wide, Jah light guide deep inside. Sunrise on the savannah plain, whispering truth through the falling rain. Baobab roots hold the stories untold, ancient vibrations in the heart of the soil. Hear the drums speak in a sacred tone, calling every child back home. Through the dust and the trials we face, there's a healing power in this holy place. Healing winds of Africa blow through me, cleanse my spirit, set my heart free. From the pain and the broken dreams, lift me higher on Jah love's wings. Healing winds of Africa, I feel you now, in every prayer, in every vow. Unity rising like the morning sun. We are many but we move as one. River Nile flow with a timeless grace, mirror the truth in every face. From the deserts white to the ocean blue, every path leads me back to you. Children dancing in the moonlight glow, seeds of tomorrow in the love we sow. No division, no border, no chain, only one heart beating every name. Healing winds of Africa blow through me, wash away all impurity. Let my thoughts be calm and clear, guide my soul, remove all fear. Healing winds of Africa, strong and wise, truth reflected in your skies. In your rhythm I find my way, closer to love with every day. Jah Jah, guide I way. Jah Jah, guide I way. Through the night, into the day, hear the wind, hear the call. Love will rise and never fall.
In stillness, we remember. In silence, we reconnect. The earth breathes, and so do we. One life, one love, one destiny.
Mountains stand as a witness true to the strength that lives in me and you. Through every storm we rise again, washed in love like the summer rain. No more war in the mind or heart, time for healing, a brand new start. Let compassion be the guiding flame. We are equal, we are the same. Healing winds of Africa, carry me home to a place where love is known, where every soul can live in peace and all the suffering finally cease. Healing winds of Africa forever flow through every heart, let kindness grow. With every breath I testify, love is the truth we can't deny. Gently blow through my spirit. the stillness, where the breath meets the soul, there is a light, ever living, ever glowing. I feel it. In a light shining bright within me, guide my heart to where I'm meant to be. Through the storm, through the night so long, in the light, keep me strong. In the light, never fade away, lead my spirit to a brighter day. One love rising naturally, in the light, set me free. Wake with the sun, feel the earth beneath, roots run deep like ancient trees. Every heartbeat, the sacred sound. In this rhythm, truth is found. River flow, cleanse my mind, leave all heavy thoughts behind. Nature speak in silent tone, remind me I am not alone. Through the night so long, in the light, keep me strong. In the light, never fade away, lead my spirit to a brighter day. One love rising naturally, in the light, set me free. Meditation in the sound, bassline moving all around, heartbeat sync with drum and bass. Feel the love in every space. Let go of fear, release the chain, wash away the doubt and pain. In this moment, pure and true, light within, reveal the you. Rise up, in a glow. Silent skies mirror truth within our eyes. Every spark a guiding sign, universal grand design. Walk in love, speak with care, lift each other everywhere. Unity, the healing force, love the root and love the source. Close your eyes, feel the vibration. You are the light, no separation. Jah light awaken in my soul. Through the silence, through the war, mountains echo, rivers flow. In this moment, truth we know. Morning sunrise on the hill so high, golden rays paint truth in the sky. Birds them sing like a sacred song, calling every heart back to calm. In the breeze I feel Jah presence near, wash away every doubt and fear. Roots run deep in the earth so high, guiding my spirit from inside. Jah light awakening, shining within. Cleanse thy heart, let the healing begin. One love flowing like a river so free, unity rising in you and me. Jah light awakening, burning so bright. Lead I forward in truth and right, from the darkness into the day. Jah love, show I the way. Through the valleys and the stormy rain, every trial bring wisdom and gain. In the struggle, seeds are sown, from the pain pure strength is grown. Hear the drums of the ancient call, reminding we were one and all. No division in Jah design, every soul is a spark divine. Jah light awakening, shining within. Cleanse thy heart, let the healing begin. One love flowing like a river so free, unity rising in you and me. Jah light awakening, burning so bright. Lead I forward in truth and right, from the darkness into the day. Jah Lord, show I the way. Fragments echo in and out, awaken, Jah light. One love, right. Nature speak in a silent tone, in every leaf truth is shown. Ocean waves chant endlessly, songs of life and harmony. Meditate neath the moonlit sky, let your higher self arise. In stillness find the sacred flame, every soul and Jah the same. Close your eyes, feel the vibration, healing comes through meditation. Let go fear, release the chain, only love shall remain. Step by step, breath by breath, transcend illusion, conquer death. In this life, the truth we see, Jah lives eternally. In the silence of the heart, there is a sound, a frequency of love. Tune in, feel it, let it flow. Gentle winds whisper through the trees, every heartbeat in harmony, guided by love eternally. Mountains stand in quiet grace, river of life we all embrace. Every soul a sacred flame, different paths but one same name. Love frequency, rise in me. Vibrations of unity, feel the rhythm, deep and free. One heart, one destiny. Love frequency, shining bright, healing waves in every life. Let it echo endlessly in this cosmic symphony. Step by step on sacred ground, truth and wisdom all around. Nature sings in perfect tone, reminding us we're not alone. Let the ego drift away in the light of a brighter day. Inner voice begins to speak, strength is found in the humble and meek. Love frequency, rise in me. Vibrations of unity, feel the rhythm, deep and free. One heart, one destiny. Love frequency, shining bright, healing waves in every life. Let it echo endlessly in this cosmic symphony. Through the fire and the rain we grow, seeds of truth begin to show. Compassion flows like endless streams, awakening forgotten dreams. No more walls, no divide, only love we amplify. In every face I see myself, connected beyond all wealth. Close your eyes and drift within, where all journeys truly begin. In the stillness you will find the universe inside your mind. Love frequency, rise in me. Vibrations of unity, feel the rhythm, deep and free. One heart, one destiny. Love frequency, shining bright. In the stillness of the morning light, I find the strength within, a peaceful warrior rising again. Jah guide thy way through night and day. In love I stand across the land. Walking through the valley of reflection so deep, where the rivers of truth and silence gently seep. Hear the whisper of the wind through the ancient trees, saying, know thyself and let your spirit be free. Mountains stand tall, but they humble the soul. Every step forward makes the broken heart whole. In the mirror of life I see clearly now. No need for war when I remember how I'm a peaceful warrior, chanting in the light. No need for battle, love will win the fight. With a heart wide open and a spirit so strong, in the rhythm of creation I belong. Peaceful warrior, grounded and true. Jah love flowing in everything I do. No chains can bind what the soul has found. In the sacred silence I hear the sound. Sunrise paints gold on the edge of the sky, reminds me every day there's no need to ask why. Just breathe in the moment, let the worries go. In the garden of life, let your consciousness grow. Brothers and sisters from near and far, we're shining together like a million stars. No division can stand where unity reigns, healing the earth, breaking invisible chains. I'm a peaceful warrior, chanting in the light. No need for battle, love will win the fight. With a heart wide open and a spirit so strong, in the rhythm of creation I belong. Peaceful warrior, grounded and true. Jah love flowing in everything I do. No chains can bind what the soul has found. In the sacred silence I hear the sound. One love, one heart, from the end to the start. One breath, one flow, let the inner light glow. But I never lose sight. Even darkness fades in the presence of light. Every tear that falls is a lesson in grace. Every step I take brings me back to my place. No need for weapons when wisdom is near. No need for anger when the pathway is clear. I stand in my truth like the roots of a tree, strong in the earth yet forever free. I'm a peaceful warrior, chanting in the light. No need for battle, love will win the fight. With the heart wide open and the spirit so strong, in the rhythm of creation I belong. Peaceful warrior, grounded and true. Jah love flowing Inhale the earth, exhale to the sky. We are the bridge between low and high. Barefoot walking on the sacred ground, heartbeat drum in the silent sound. River whisper ancient tone, remind me I am never alone. Mountains standing tall and wise, clouds drifting through open skies. Every breath a prayer I send, circle of life that never ends. Roots below and sky above, hold me in your endless love. From the soil to stars so high, I and I will never die. Roots and sky connection strong, nature sing the healing song. In this moment I am free, living in eternity. Sunrise paints the golden way, guiding hearts that choose to stay in the now where peace resides. No more need to run or hide. The wind carry truth through every tree, softly saying just be free. Let the ego fade away, let the inner light lead the way. Roots below and sky above, hold me in your endless love. From the soil to stars so high, I and I will never die. Roots and sky connection strong, nature sing the healing song. In this moment I am free, living in eternity. Grounding me, sky, 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 calling me. One love, one heart, unity, flow, flow, naturally. Moonlight shimmer on the sea, reflect the truth inside of me. Everywhere the lesson clear, wash away the doubt and fear. Fire burning deep within, purify the soul from sin. Balancing the elements, life reveal its true intent. Oh, roots below and sky above, hold me in your endless love. From the soil to stars so high, I and I will never die. Oh, roots and sky connection strong, nature sing the healing song. In this moment I
the silence of the morning light, we return to the roots of creation. Breathe in, breathe out. All is one. All is I.
From the soil where the rivers flow, ancient whispers softly grow. Every leaf and every tree sing the song of unity. Mountains rise and oceans breathe. Truth is written underneath. In the heart, the fire stays, guiding through these earthly days. Roots of creation, deep in my soul, healing the spirit, making me whole. One with the earth, the sky, the sea, living in love eternally. Roots of creation, steady and strong, echo of life in every song. Peace in the rhythm, calm in the flow. This is the truth we all can know. Feel the breeze upon your face. Nature moves in perfect grace. Every step upon the land, guided by a higher hand. Let the burden drift away in the light of a brighter day. Inward journey, eyes can see the truth of who we're meant to be. Roots of creation, and soul, healing in the spirit, making me whole. One with the earth, the sky, the sea, living in love eternally. Oh, steady and strong, echo of life in every song. Peace in the rhythm, calm in the flow. This is the truth we all can know. Feel a breeze upon your face. Nature moves in perfect grace. Every step upon the land, guided by a higher hand. Let the burden drift away in the light of a brighter day. Inward journey, eyes can see the truth of who we're meant to be. Roots of creation, deep in my soul, in my soul, in my soul, making me whole, making me whole. The earth, the sky, the sea, living in love eternally. Your light shining bright, guiding hearts through darkest night. Oh, unity we call, one love rising over all. Hear the drum of Mother Earth, feel the pulse of sacred birth. In every breath, in every sound, creation's roots are all around. Golden sun and silver moon, move in rhythm, gentle tune. Time dissolves in sacred space. Every soul finds its place. No division, no disguise. Truth reflected in our eyes. When we live in harmony, we unlock Soul River run, wash over me, carry my heart to infinity. Wake in the morning with the sunlight call, hear the whisper of the ancient call. Roots in the earth, sky in my mind, truth in the silence I finally find. Every step is a prayer in motion, every breath like a sacred ocean. No more rush, no more disguise, I see the world through open eyes. Soul River chant, carry me home, through the valleys where the wild winds roam. Peace in the water, deep and wide, I flowing with giant side. Soul River chant, steady and slow, where the seeds of love and wisdom grow. No separation, no divide, one with the earth, one with the tide. Mountains echo with the timeless song, remind the heart where we belong. Not in the noise, not in the race, but in the stillness, sacred space. Children of light, we rise again, breaking the chains that bind the brain, healing the scars with unity, living in truth and harmony. Soul River chant, carry me home, through the valleys where the wild winds roam. Peace in the water, deep and wide, I flowing with giant side. Soul River chant, steady and slow, where the seeds of love and wisdom grow. No separation, no divide, one with the earth, one with the tide. Listen, the river don't force, it just flows, teaching patience as it goes. From the mountain to the sea, that's the journey of you and me. Let go, release control, trust the rhythm of your soul. Under the moon, reflections glow, secrets only the spirit knows. Stars align in quiet grace, guiding each one to their place. No more fear in the inner fight, darkness fades in the healing light. Every heart like a drum that beats, calling the world to peace and streets. Soul River chant, carry me home, through the valleys where the wild winds roam. Peace in the water, deep and wide, I flowing with giant side. Soul River chant, steady and slow, where the seeds of love and wisdom grow. No separation, no divide, one with the earth, one with the tide. Soul River flow, carry we, Soul River flow, gently now. Soul River flow, teach we how, teach we how. Soul River flow, Soul River flow, Soul River flow. Soul River chant, never end, circle of life, we ascend. Mm. hearts align in the silent sky. Under whispering bamboo skies, we breathe as one, we rise. Gentle winds carry truth, no fear, no disguise. In the stillness we find Jah light inside. Under whispering bamboo skies, we heal and unify. Morning dew on the sacred ground, every heartbeat a humble sound. Roots grow deep where love is found. No walls can hold this truth unbound. River flow, teach our patience slow. Every step is a seed we sow. Nature speak what we need to know. In a rhythm our spirits grow. Close your eyes, feel the breeze. Let your soul be at ease. Every burden release. Find your inner peace. Under whispering bamboo skies, we breathe as one, we rise. Gentle winds carry truth, no fear, no disguise. In the stillness we find Jah light inside. Under whispering bamboo skies, we heal and unify. Mountains stand through time and change, still they whisper life's not strange. Every path may rearrange, still the love remains the same. Bird song echo through the air, remind the heart that life is fair. In every trial, love is there, a sacred bond we all can share. Whisper low, let it go. Feel the flow. In the silence, wisdom grows, like bamboo bending when wind blows. Strength in softness, the spirit knows where the deeper river flows. No division, no disguise, only truth within our eyes. See the world through loving sight, turn the darkness into light. Under whispering bamboo skies, we breathe as one, we rise. Gentle winds carry truth, no fear, no disguise. In the stillness we find Jah light inside. Under whispering bamboo skies, we heal and unify. Step by step, the journey long. Every soul becomes a song. Write the path where we belong. Unity forever strong. Ocean tides within the chest, rise and fall, but bring us rest. In this moment we are blessed. In the now we find the best. Under whispering bamboo skies, we breathe as one, we rise. Gentle winds carry truth, Morning dew on the sacred ground, every heartbeat a humble sound. Roots grow deep where love is found. No walls can hold this truth unbound. River flow, teach our patience slow. Every step is a seed we sow. Nature speak what we need to know. In a rhythm, our spirits grow. Close your eyes, feel the breeze. Let your soul be at ease. Every burden release. Find your inner peace. Under whispering bamboo skies, we breathe as one, we rise. Gentle winds carry truth. No fear, no disguise. In the stillness. In the stillness of the morning light, breath of life carry I through. Zion garden deep within, where Jah love ever true. Walking through the valley of the inner soul, where the rivers of peace gently flow. Every step is a prayer untold, in the garden where the wise seeds grow. Mountains whisper ancient songs, roots run deep in sacred ground. In the silence I belong, where truth and love are always found. Meditate in Zion garden, feel the healing breeze. Let your spirit rise in harmony, your heart at ease. One love growing like a tree, strong and free. In Zion garden, that's where I long to be. Sunlight dancing on the leaves so bright, golden rays touch every soul, guiding steps with gentle light, making broken pieces whole. Hear the birds sing unity, melodies of peace and grace. Nature's pure divinity, reflected in each human face. Meditate in Zion garden, feel the healing breeze. Let your spirit rise in harmony, your heart at ease. One love growing like a tree, strong and free. In Zion garden, that's where I long to be. Breathe in, Jah presence surround I. Breathe out, release all burden and fear. Roots of love, grounded deep in this sacred space. Clarity appear. Float like water, calm and wise. Let go of every chain and tie. Truth is seen through open eyes, when ego fades and spirits fly. Children of the earth unite under one eternal sun, shining through the darkest night, reminding us we all are one. Meditate in Zion garden, heal the healing breeze. Let your spirit rise in harmony, your heart at ease. on the land, wash away the pain and scars. Healing flows through every hand, guided by the ancient stars. In this moment, pure and still,